Ever wondered how you magically transform your hard-earned naira into those fancy foreign currencies when you're jet-setting around the world? It's like alchemy, right? Wrong. It's YouTrip. But hold on, before we dive into the golden question of what currencies YouTrip actually deals in, let's talk about why this even matters. Imagine this: you're in Tokyo, eyeing that perfect matcha latte. The menu flashes a price in yen. Panic sets in. You frantically pull out your phone, open a conversion app, and pray you don't get ripped off. Now, replace that frantic scene with a calm, confident you, smoothly paying with your YouTrip card. No conversions, no stress, just matcha bliss. That's the power of a multi-currency wallet. So, what exactly is a multi-currency wallet? Think of it as a magical suitcase that holds different types of money. You stuff it with dollars, pounds, euros, and more before your trip. When you're in the land of the rising sun, you simply unzip the yen compartment and voila! You're ready to spend. That's essentially what YouTrip does, but digitally. But back to our burning question, what currencies does YouTrip actually offer? Well, the beauty of YouTrip is that it covers a pretty wide spectrum. We're talking about major players like the US dollar, the euro, the British pound, and the Australian dollar. These are your go-to currencies for most international destinations. But wait, there's more. YouTrip also caters to the more exotic currencies. Think Singapore dollars, Hong Kong dollars, Japanese yen, and even the Korean won. It's like having a global ATM card in your pocket. No more rushing to find currency exchange booths with terrible rates. No more carrying wads of cash, tempting fate. YouTrip handles it all. And the best part? You lock in the exchange rate when you top up your wallet, so no surprises when you spend. But let's talk real world for a second. You might be thinking, okay, this is great, but what about those obscure currencies I might encounter in some remote corner of the world? Well, while YouTrip offers a fantastic range, it might not cover every single currency under the sun. For those rare cases, you might still need to do a traditional currency exchange. But trust us, these instances are few and far between. So, there you have it. YouTrip is your passport to a world of seamless spending. It's more than just a card, it's your financial sidekick for your adventures. By offering a wide range of currencies, YouTrip ensures you're always prepared, no matter where your wanderlust takes you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.